Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. What we have solved in our last session? Yes, we have solved our exercise 1.11 A question, isn't it? Now we will solve B question, but before that just have a look here. Now addition of fractions with different denominators. So drag and drop the equivalent fractions that can be used to add the fractions in the green boxes. Then fill in the sum with the sum and the press done. Now see 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 we have to add. Now 1 upon 2 equivalent fractions are 4 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8 and 5 upon 10. Now what we do first? We have to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. Now see 2 and 3 shortcut is 2 3s are 6. Now see which is 6 in the place of denominator, this. Now take this. Okay. Now here also 6. Yes. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. Isn't it? Now I'll write here 5 upon 12. Done. Sorry, that is not correct. Now we will try again. See where we have done mistake. 2 3s are 6, isn't it? So first we need to find out the LCM. What is 2 LCM? 2 1s are 2 and 3 LCM. 3 1s are 3. 2 3s are 6, isn't it? So what will come? Yes, 6 should come in the place of denominator, isn't it? So what we have to do? 2 multiplied by 3 means we get 6, and here also 3. So what will come here? 3, isn't it? And the next in the place of denominator 6 should come. So 3 2s are 6. So here also 1 2s are 2, isn't it? So we got 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Now when we add this two number together, we get 5 upon 6, isn't it? Now when the denominators are same, yes, this is correct. Okay, understood? In this way we are going to solve more sums. Yes, we have completed A question. Now B question we will solve. Now mixed fractions are there. Now we will solve mixed fractions. Now in B question, third one I am going to solve. What is the third one? 5 1 by 5, comma 6 1 by 6. Okay. Now see, first what we have to do? We have to, this mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fraction. First 5 1 upon 5. How we convert, students? 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 divided by 5. So what is the answer? 5 5s are 25 plus 1 divided by 5. So 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 5, isn't it? Now next 6 1 upon 6 is equals to, what we do? 6 multiplied by 6 plus 1 divided by 6. 6 6s are 36 plus 1 upon 6. So here 37 upon 6. Now what we got? Two fractions are 26 upon 5, 37 upon 6. Now these are not like fractions. So we have to find out the LCM of both the numbers, isn't it? So here 5 and the 6. What is the 5 fraction? Sorry, 5 LCM. 5 1s are 5. What about 6? 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So the multiples of 5 is 5, multiples of 6 is 3 multiplied by 2. So together 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 multiplied by 2 is 30. So the LCM is what? 30. So here what should come in the place of denominator? 30. So 5 multiplied by what the 30? 5 6 the 30. So same we have to multiply in the place of numerator also. Do the rough work. 6 6 the 36. 6 2 the 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So right here the next number. What is the next? 37 upon 6. So in the place of denominator what should come? 30. So 6 5s are 30. So 37 5s are, we have to do the rough work. 5 7s are, yes, 35. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So 185. Isn't it? Okay. Now we got like fractions. Now we can add this both the numbers, isn't it? So now I will take numerators, we have to add. The denominator should come only once. Now do the addition. Here 185 is already there. Now I will add here 156, 11. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1, 3. So the answer is 341 upon 30. See students, whenever they had given question into mixed fractions, we have to convert answer also into mixed fractions only. Now to convert into mixed fractions, we have to divide. What we have to do? We have to divide, isn't it? Now we will divide. 341 divided by 30. Now see, 2 digit, 30 ones are 30, 4 will remain, 0, bring down 1, again 30 to the 60, we cannot take, so 30 ones are 30 only. Now 1 minus 0 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, now we cannot do the next. So this is what? Remainder, this is quotient and this is denominator. So how we can write the answer? See, first quotient has a natural number or whole number. The remainder will come in the place of numerator. So the remainder is 11 upon 30. Clear? This is the main answer. Understood? Yes, what we have done? Shall I repeat once again this example? Yes, I'll repeat. See, the first step, they had given mixed fractions. Keep in your mind, whenever they will give questions into mixed fractions, you have to convert the answers into mixed fractions only. So it is 5 1 upon 5. So here 5 5s are 25. Plus 1, see 5 5s are 25 plus 1, so 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 5. And this mixed fractions we have to convert into improper fraction first. So 6 multiplied by 6 plus 1, see whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator. So 6 6 are 36 plus 1 upon 6, so 36 plus 1 is 37 upon 6. Now we got two fractions, but they are improper. Okay, denominator, they are unlike fractions, they are not like fractions, so we cannot do addition immediately. So first we have to convert those fractions into like fractions. For that what we have to do, we have to find out the LCM of both the numbers 5 and 6. See, here I have done multiples of 5, multiples of 6. Multiples of 5 is 5, multiples of 6 is 3 multiplied by 2. So together when we multiply, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 30 is the LCM of 5 and 6. So once we got LCM, so it should come in the place of denominator. So 5 multiplied by what we get 60? 5 6 are 30. So same we have to multiply in the place of numerator also. So 26 multiplied by 6, here we have done the rough work, that is 156. Now again the next number 30 should come in the place of denominator. So we have to multiply 6 5s are 30. So 5 should come in the place of numerator also. So multiply, we get 185. Now we got two like fractions with the same denominator. Now we can add easily. So write two numbers together and add numerators. Now we got the answer 341. Now this is the answer, but as I said you that if the mixed fraction question is there, we have to write answer also into mixed fraction. So we have to divide. So here I have done the division. So we got answer 11 upon 30. Is that clear? Yes. Now I'll solve next one. Yes. So first we have to convert mixed fractions into fractions numbers, isn't it? So 2 3 upon 4. Shall we do in shortcut? No need to write again 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 and divided by 4. I'll do directly 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3? Yes. Tell me. 11 upon 4. The next 1 5 upon 16. Now see, 16 ones are 16. 16 plus 5? 21. 21 upon 16. Isn't it? Now what we have, two fractions are 4 and 16. Now both the denominators are different, isn't it? So we cannot add. See, we have to add this both the numbers, 11 upon 4 plus 21 upon 16. But both the numerators are different. So we have to find out the LCM of both the number. So what I'll do here, combinedly I'll find out 4 and 16 with 2 table. Okay. See, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 2, 1 has it is 2 2s are 4, and once again 1 has it is 2 1s are 2. So the numbers till 1 should come, we have to solve. Now what are the multiples of 4 and 16 are? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So the answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So the LCM is what? 16 of two numbers, 4 and 16. Now we got 16, isn't it? Now see, the next steps are, take the number 11 upon 4. The denominator should come 16. 4 4s are 16. So if we have taken 4 here, so take here also 4, and 11 as it is. 11 4s are 44. The next number 21 upon 16. Now see, here what should come? 16. Now in the place of denominator already 16 is there. So we have to multiply with only 1. 16 ones are 16. Isn't it? So here also 1. 21 ones are 21. Clear? Yes. Now the denominators are same. Now we can add easily. Isn't it? 44 divided by 16 plus 21 divided by 16. Now add numerators together. 44 plus 21 divided by 16. Now do the addition. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 16. Now this is what? This is answer. But the question is into mixed fractions. So we need to convert this number into mixed fractions only. Now we have to divide for that. Now see, in 16 table 65 is there. Yes. 16 4s are 64 is there. So we will do 16 4s are 64. Now 1 will remain. This is what? Quotient. This is remainder, and this is denominator. So the answer is, how we can write? Whole number, quotient 4, and the remainder is in the place of numerator, and the denominator is 16. This is the final answer. See? Understood? Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will solve next example. Now I will solve 10th one example, last. 8 3 upon 11, 2 5 upon 11. Now see, now we have to convert mixed fractions into fractions. Now see, 11 8s are 88, 88 plus 3, yes, 91 upon 11, isn't it? The next 2 5 upon 11, 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 5, come on, add everyone, 27, 27 upon 11. Now we got both the fractions, isn't it? Now see, here the denominators are same, so we can add immediately, isn't it? So the numbers are 91 upon 11 plus 27 upon 11. So write together numerators addition. Now do the addition. 7 plus 1 is 8, 9 plus 2 is 11 upon 11. Now question is in mixed fractions. We have to convert answer also into mixed fractions. For that we need to divide the numbers. 118 divided by 11. Now see, 11 ones are 11, 0 0, bring down 8, we cannot divide, so we have to give 0, isn't it? Yes. So this is what? Quotient, this is remainder, this is denominator. So the answer is, I'll write here 10 and the remainder 8 upon the denominator 11. Clear? Understood? Yes, very good. Now we will solve C question. See, in C question, first one 1 2 upon 7 comma 2 1 upon 7 comma 1 3 upon 7. Now again they had given mixed fractions, but here 3 mixed fractions are there. Okay, so first see, there are 2 methods to solve this question. See how I will solve easily and we can solve in less time. So what we have to do, we have studied about 2 methods. This whole numbers or natural numbers we can add together. Now see what I'll do, I'll take this whole numbers together. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now I'll take all the fractions, 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Now I can add these 3 numbers together. Why? Because the denominators are same. So we can add together 2 plus 1 plus 3 upon 7. So what is the addition? 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 upon 7. So what is the final answer? 4 has the whole natural number and 6 upon 7. This is the answer. Understood? Clear? Yes. Now I will solve third one for you. You see the third one? 5 2 upon 7 comma 3 1 upon 7 comma 6 3 upon 7. Now see, again the denominators are same, students, so we can solve easily. Yes, take all natural numbers together to add 5 plus 3 plus 6. Tell me, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 6, yes, tell me, 14, isn't it? So write here 14. Now I will take all the fractions, 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Now we can add all numbers together, numerators, because denominators are same. 2 plus 1 plus 3 upon 7. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 upon 7. Now write first whole natural number 40, 6 upon 7. Clear? Understood? Yes, next example I will solve for you now. Now we will solve fourth one for you. Now what is the fourth question? 1 3 upon 4, 2 1 upon 2, 1 5 upon 12. Now denominators are different, students. Now first mixed fractions we have to convert into, yes, we have to convert into fractions numbers, improper. So 1 3 upon 4 is 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. This is first one. Now 2 1 upon 2 is 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. The next is 1 5 upon 12 is 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 5 is 17 upon 12. Now we got 3 fractions, isn't it? We need to add 3 fractions, but can we add immediately? No, because denominators are different. So we need to find out the LCM of 3 numbers, denominators 4, 2 and 12. I'll do with 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 1 has it is 2 3s are 6. Now 1 1 is there. Now I have to go with 3. 1 has it is 3 1s are 3. Now the multiples of 4 to 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So the LCM of this 3 number is what? 12. Isn't it? Now see the next steps. Now unlike fractions we have to convert into like fractions. 7 upon 4. So what should come in the place of denominator? 12. 4 3s are 12. So here also we have to multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21. Now next number 5 upon 2. So what should come? 12. 2 6s are 12. So here also 6. Take 5. 5 6s are 30. The next number 17 upon 12. Denominator should come 12. So we have to multiply 12 ones are 12. So here also 1. 17 ones are 17. Now we got 3 numbers with the same, 3 fractions with the same denominator. Now we can add 21 upon 12 plus 30 upon 12 plus 17 upon 12. Now denominators are same, so write only ones and add all numerators. Now do the addition. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 upon 12. Now we have to convert into mixed fraction only, students. For that we need to do the division. 68 divided by 12. In 12 table 68 is there? No. What is less than that? 12 5s are 60. So what will remain? 8. This is what? Quotient, remainder and the denominator. See how we can write? First is quotient as a natural number. Remainder should come in the place of numerator and the denominator is 12. This is the answer. Clear? Understood everyone? Yes. So in this way you are going to solve the remaining all examples. Okay? Is that clear? Yes. What is your today's home assignment, students? Exercise 1.11 B and C question. Whichever examples I did not solve here on the board, those examples you are going to solve in your rub book. So practice today itself. See, again and again I am telling you the same thing. Now LCM is very important. For that you should know the tables. Multiplication is there, addition is there. For each and every step you should know the proper table. If you commit the mistake in table, whole sum will go wrong. Isn't it? So everyone say and write daily once table 2 to 10. At least 2 to 10. Okay? Now we will meet in our next session with the subtraction of fractions with the different denominator. We have seen subtraction with the same denominator. Now in the same way, similarly we have done now addition with different denominator. In the same way we are going to do different denominators subtractions. Okay. Now we will meet in our next session with exercise 1.12. Till that time, bye bye, take care and thank you.